In the expansive fabric of existence, where the lines between dimensions blend and interweave, humanity stands on the brink of an extraordinary metamorphosis. Dolores Cannon, a distinguished author and regression therapist, devoted her life to delving into the mysterious realms of consciousness and the cosmos. Her teachings, illuminated by the voices of those she guided into the depths of their own souls, provide profound insights into the imminent transformation our world is undergoing. Amidst a world often engulfed in chaos and confusion, Dolores Cannon's work shines as a guiding light. She revealed that our Earth is not merely a physical entity, but a living, evolving being poised to transcend its current state of existence. The journey ahead is not a mere leap in time. It is a shift in dimensions, a grand metamorphosis of the very fabric of reality itself. Dolores, through her exploration of past life regressions and communication with higher consciousness, unveiled the idea that the Earth is undergoing a remarkable transformation, one that will elevate it into a new dimension. The Earth is changing its vibrational frequency, a phenomenon beyond our physical senses, but nevertheless real and profound. As these vibrations escalate, our world is on the verge of transitioning into a new dimension, one that coexists with our own, but remains concealed from our ordinary perception. Envision a universe where myriad dimensions coexist, each vibrating at a unique frequency, and entities, including extraterrestrial beings, traverse these dimensions by adjusting the vibrations of their craft. Dolores Cannon's revelations align with the fundamental principle that energy and consciousness are intricately connected. Approaching this monumental shift requires an understanding of the nature of vibration. Dolores Cannon's teachings form the groundwork for comprehending this transformative process. In her book, The Custodians, she explores the extraterrestrial connection to vibrational shifts, demonstrating how beings have harnessed the power of altering vibrations to traverse dimensions. This underscores the interconnectedness of the cosmos. Furthermore, she illuminates the idea that humans too can traverse dimensions unconsciously. This concept is elegantly portrayed in her work, The Legend of Star Crash. Throughout history, shifts between dimensions have occurred, often unnoticed by those experiencing them. These glimpses into higher states of consciousness or alternate dimensions serve as subtle reminders of the vast potential within us. However, what makes this moment unique is that the entire planet is poised to collectively make this leap into a new dimension. This isn't merely an individual journey, it's a global transition, reminiscent of biblical prophecies of a new heaven and a new earth. The stage is set for humanity to rise to a higher vibration, but not everyone will make this transition. Dolores Cannon's teachings emphasize a fundamental truth: the power of choice. Each soul on this planet has been granted the gift of choice to evolve with the Earth as it transitions into a new phase of existence, or to follow a different path. It's a decision that resonates at the core of our being, defining our spiritual journey. The energies cascading upon us serve as catalysts for transformation. These energies hold the key to reshaping our physical vessels, making them appear younger, smarter, and more vibrant. As we take this momentous step towards evolution, our physical form will undergo a remarkable metamorphosis, becoming lighter, taller, and more transparent. This transformation is not exclusive to a select few. It is a choice available to all, a universal invitation extended to every soul on this planet. The question remains: will you embrace the change and ride the waves of transformation? Or will you remain tethered to the old ways, unable or unwilling to let go. The journey ahead may present challenges. The road to a new earth requires resilience, an unwavering commitment, an inner strength test that each of us must face. As Dolores suggests, are we in the midst of a final test? The answer lies within each of us. It's a personal journey, a unique test tailored to our individual evolution. The challenges we encounter are opportunities for growth and transformation, the crucibles in which our spirits are forged. While navigating these tests, it's crucial to remember that they are not meant to break us, but to make us stronger. They are the fires that purify our souls, refining our character and preparing us for the next phase of our existence. The pivotal moment is approaching, as Dolores emphasizes, and the signs are evident. The physical effects of this shift will become increasingly apparent as frequencies and vibrations continue to escalate. You may sense this deep within your being, unknowingly aware that something profound is happening. The Earth's transformation demands that our physical bodies adapt simultaneously, which may manifest as physical symptoms or energetic blockages. However, this isn't the first time such a transition has occurred. Throughout history, certain individuals and groups have undergone similar shifts in consciousness and dimension. Yet, what sets this moment apart is that it marks the first time an entire planet is collectively making the leap. The new Earth is calling, beckoning us. Now, let's address a fundamental question. Who will make this leap, and who will remain behind? This is where the concept of vibration becomes paramount. Those who have diligently raised their vibrations, expanding their consciousness, are primed for this journey. Their frequency aligns with the new Earth, ready to embrace the higher dimension. However, not everyone will be prepared. Those who have not awakened to their true potential, ensnared by negativity and lower vibrations, will not match the frequency of the new Earth. They will be left behind, continuing their karmic journey, unaware of the grand transformation. Annie Kirkwood, the author of Mary's Message to the World, shared a vivid vision providing insight into this cosmic transition. The Earth, viewed from outer space, displayed two Earths superimposed upon each other. Flashing lights bridged the two worlds, symbolizing a connection. Then, like a cell dividing, the Earth split into two distinct parts. On one Earth, people rejoiced, exclaiming, "We did it! We really are a new Earth." On the other Earth, unaware of the transformation, voices lamented, "That girl was so crazy. She was out there telling everybody all these crazy things, and nothing happened. She just died." This vision encapsulates the profound duality of the impending shift, the separation between those transitioning to the new Earth and those remaining on the old Earth, steeped in negativity. This theme echoes in various spiritual teachings and prophecies. The division isn't based on judgment, but on vibrational alignment. Those ready for the new dimension will seamlessly transition, while the unprepared will continue their karmic journey elsewhere. But what about those on the old Earth? Will they be aware of the momentous event? It's a complex and intriguing question. They may not consciously sense the shift, engrossed in their old paradigms and unaware of the new reality. However, as Dolores Cannon's communication with higher consciousness reveals, there will be an awareness of change on some level. It might not be a conscious realization, but a subtle feeling, something in the air, a difference. Those who have not consciously worked towards this shift may still be carried along by the rising tide of love, a subconscious readiness nurtured within them. The urgency in spreading this message of love and transformation becomes clear. It's about expanding human consciousness, raising collective vibration, and making the shift smoother for as many souls as possible. The most profound change they will experience is love, the ultimate frequency, permitting the new earth. Those resistant, unable to see or feel the love, might be left behind. It's a heartbreaking prospect, underscoring the importance of sharing the message of love, unity, and the impending shift. As Dolores and her clients suggest, this shift isn't just a journey to a different place. It's a transition to a higher dimension, a new level of existence. It's a raising of our collective consciousness, a transformation of our reality. The concept of two Earths, existing simultaneously, but not always aware of each other, illustrates the coexistence of the old paradigm and the new dimension. The shift isn't merely a cataclysmic event, it's a profound evolution of our existence. It's an opportunity to live in a world of light and peace, where people can come together and truly love one another. It's a chance to create a smarter world, one that operates on higher principles and vibrations. But what about the practical aspects of life on the new Earth? Would it be vastly different, or will it retain familiar elements? According to Dolores Cannon's teachings, life on the new Earth will be both similar and enhanced. It will still be a physical world akin to our current reality, but it will be better, longer, and different. The shift will usher in a new era of understanding, where people will learn and evolve at an accelerated pace. The limitations of our current five senses will expand, and telepathic communication will become the norm. Imagine a world where words are unnecessary, where thoughts and emotions are effortlessly transmitted and received. For those who make the transition, some may not immediately be aware of the change. It's as if a seed, a thought, has been planted within them, a subconscious readiness for the shift. When the moment arrives, they may not consciously recognize it, but they will feel the difference, the love permeating the new Earth. In contrast, those resistant to change, clinging to old paradigms and lower vibrations, may not be aware of the shift until it's too late. They will witness destruction and upheaval, but won't grasp the true nature of the transformation. Their vibrations will be out of sync with the new Earth. ESA poignant realization, underscoring the urgency of embracing love and raising our consciousness. Love is the key to this grand transformation, the essence of God, the supreme power binding the universe together. It's a timeless truth that transcends religions and philosophies. ASU, embark on the profound journey of raising your vibration and aligning with the higher frequencies of the new Earth. You may notice a significant shift in your interpersonal relationships. This transformation is a natural part of the evolution process, both enlightening and challenging. People once integral to your life may gradually fade, no longer resonating with your newfound frequency. It's essential to understand that this isn't cause for resentment or sorrow. It's a sign of inner growth and shifting energies. As individuals depart, whether friends, family, or acquaintances, approach this process with grace and love. Holding on to grudges impedes progress on the path of evolution. Everyone is on their unique journey of self-discovery and transformation. Now vibrating at a higher frequency, they too have their own path to follow. The choice to let them go should be made with compassion, not resentment. You can choose to walk your path, remaining steadfast in your commitment to raising your vibration. Alternatively, you can lower your frequency to align with those who may not yet vibrate at the same level. The decision lies within your heart. Honor your path and the paths of others. You are not responsible for their choices or pace of evolution, and they are not accountable for your spiritual journey. Each person's soul follows a unique trajectory, neither right nor wrong, it simply is. As we prepare for this momentous event, Remember that the urgency is driven by love for ourselves, each other, and the earth. It's a call to awaken, expand consciousness, and raise vibrations. It's an invitation to be part of a transformation transcending the boundaries of time and space. Dolores Cannon's teachings stress the importance of disseminating this wisdom. As our planet experiences its vibrational shift, it becomes imperative to raise awareness about the approaching transition. Those understanding this transformation bear a duty to communicate the message of love, evolution, and a brighter tomorrow. This is why sharing this knowledge is essential. In these transformative times, become torchbearers of this divine knowledge, guiding others through stormy seas like a lighthouse. Illuminate the path for others, as the light within you is not just a beacon of hope, but a radiant force of love and consciousness expansion. By sharing this message, you actively participate in raising the collective vibrational frequency of humanity. Each person awakening to the significance of this dimensional shift adds their unique energetic signature to the unfolding tapestry of transformation. Together, we become a symphony of higher consciousness, resonating with the frequencies of love and unity. Thank you for reading, and see you in the next exploration of knowledge.